In this session, let's demonstrate on how to interface Omron CP1E PLC with CX Programmer. Here you can see the Omron control panel. In the outer portion, you can see we are using 5 inputs and 4 outputs. All these 5 are push buttons. And here you can see the emergency switch. So this is all about the outer portion. Now we will see the what is there inside the control panel. Here inside the control panel, you can see MCB, miniature circuit breaker, then SMPS switch mode power supply used to convert 230 volt to 24 volt because our PLC is 24 volt PLC. And here you can see the input connectors and output connectors, and these all are the relays. So this is the CP1E model we are using here. So totally it has 6 inputs and 4 outputs. So here you can see the power indication. So whenever the power supply is given to the PLC, this power indicator will be on, and here you can see the run. So when your PLC will be in run mode, we can see the power indicator. Then this is the error. So when there is an error or any wrong in the logic in the program, so it will show the errors light. For interfacing this PLC, we are using USB cable to transform your program from PC to PLC. So this is the cable we are using to transform. Now let's see how to create a program in CX Programmer and load it to the CP1E controller. Go to the file, new. So here give the device name anything. So I'll give it as project 1. Then in the device type, select a CP1E model. Then network type means to load the program from PC to PLC, we are using USB type cable. Then click here, OK. So in the page now, take a open contact and give the input address as 0.00 and take the output coil, that is 100.00, and connect the horizontal line. So here you can see the line is connected. So now we have to load it to the controller. So first go for compile. Once the compiling is done, then go to work online. So do you wish to continue to load it to the PLC? Yes. Then go to PLC, transfer. So here we have totally 3 options. So PC to PLC, PLC to PC, and PC to PLC. So first select transfer PC to PLC, then click OK. Yes. So once the program is loaded to the PLC, you can see here when I press the first button, the first input is on. You can see this in the controller. So once I press first button, the output is on. You can see it in the software also. So this is how the push button is working. But in order to make the output continuously on, we have to latch the output. So now let's see how to latch the output. To go to edit mode, again click on the work online. So now connect the output for latching. Use the same output address, that is 100.00. Connect it. And to turn off the output, we are using another one input, that is 0.01. After this, again go for compile and simulator. Again click on the simulator. Go for work online. Then go to PLC, transfer PC to PLC. OK. So once the program is loaded, you can see here in the controller. So if I press the input, the output is continuously on. In the software also you can see here the output is continuously on. Now to turn off this output, we are using another normally closed contact, that is 0.01. So once if I press this switch, automatically the output will turn off. So this is how the interfacing between the CX programmer and CPU1E model is done.